Today I'm going to show you how to find data section IDs in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you're customizing your site with CSS or trying to target specific sections for design changes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be directed to your dashboard where all your websites are displayed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to find the data section IDs. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Once you're inside, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button opens up the visual editor, which is where you'll be doing most of the work today. The visual editor gives you a live preview of your site and allows you to interact with each section directly. Now comes the important part: navigate to the section you're interested in. Once you've located it, right-click directly on that section, a context menu will appear, and from there, click on Inspect. This action opens up the browser's developer tools, which might look a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. Once the developer tools window opens, you'll see lines of HTML code displayed. This is the underlying structure of your Squarespace page. Here's a helpful tip: if you hover your cursor over different lines of code, you'll notice that certain sections of your website get highlighted in the preview. This visual feedback is extremely useful because it confirms that the code you're looking at corresponds to the section you're interested in. Now focus on the highlighted code when you hover over the section you inspected. Within that block of code, you'll see an attribute labeled data-section-ID. This is exactly what you're looking for. The data section ID is a unique identifier for that specific section, and it's what you'll use if you need to apply custom styles or scripts. If you want to copy this ID, simply click on the value next to data-section-ID to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut. Now you have the data section ID ready to use wherever you need it, whether that's in custom CSS, JavaScript, or any other customization work you're doing on your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied the data section ID in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.